Hope you're doing today on Saturday. I'm going to show you how to make an addictive crispy rice salad with a Japanese twist. Before we start, let's preheat the oven. We're setting the heat to 230 Celsius, which is about 446 Fahrenheit. First, let's prepare the rice. You will need 150 grams of cooked rice, which is about 1 cup. Add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of aonori powder, and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Mix it until there's no more white rice left. This flavor combination is inspired by my favorite senbei, which is a type of Japanese rice cracker. Of course, I use Japanese rice, but this is one of the rare cases where I'd say it will probably work fine with other kinds of rice too. Once it's mixed, grab your baking tray and line it with baking paper. Spread the rice out in a thin layer. The thinner it is, the crispier it will be. For efficiency, we're leaving a gap on the side for our salmon fillets. Baking them together will save time on washing up. Place the salmon with the skin side facing down, then add a sprinkle of salt and a drizzle of sesame oil. Once your oven has finished preheating, place the tray in the upper part of the oven and bake for 15 minutes. While we wait, let's make a dressing. Take a jug and add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of yuzu juice, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground sesame seeds, and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Whisk until combined. I used bottled yuzu juice because yuzu is not in season at the moment and they don't contain much juice anyway. You could use lemon or lime juice if it's easier for you. Okay, that's done, so I'll place it in the fridge ready for later. Once 15 minutes have passed, remove the tray from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes. The rice should look like this, all golden and crispy. While it's cooling, let's prepare the vegetables. I'm using 2 Japanese cucumbers, which are quite small. You could use 1 English cucumber if that's more accessible, although you might want to scoop out the seeds so that it doesn't make the salad watery. Next, I've got an avocado. I recommend cutting into a similar size to the cucumber. I like a rough cube-like shape so that you can enjoy the texture of each individual vegetable. Then I have a few shiso leaves which I'm gonna cut into thin strips. Rolling it makes it a little easier to cut. I'm also adding 80 grams or about half a cup of edamame. The salmon should be cooled down a bit now, so I'll remove the skin and roughly break the flesh into flakes. If there are any bones, you can pull them out now before you add it to the salad. This looks good, so I'll add it to the bowl. I'm also a big fan of crispy salmon skin, so I'm gonna use scissors to cut this up and add it to the salad. It's optional, of course. Finally, let's get the rice. Just lift the baking paper and slide it straight into the bowl. Mix it well to break it up, and it will look something like this. Seriously good crispy rice salad with a Japanese twist. Drizzle with the dressing, and that's it. I honestly want to eat this salad every day. And great news, I've launched a free mobile app that makes following along with my recipes even easier. It's the perfect kitchen companion after watching my videos. You can access step-by-step instructions right on your phone while you cook. The download link is in the description below. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you want to check out the written recipe, you can find it on my blog. The link is on the screen. And if you're interested in more salad recipes, I put the playlist on the screen too. Hope to see you in the next video. Thanks again. Bye.